Place eggs in a small pot and fill the pot with cold water so it's about an inch above the eggs. Turn the stove to high heat and bring the water to a boil. Once the water starts boiling, turn off the heat and cover the pot with a lid. Set the timer for 4 minutes if you want a runny egg yolk, or set the time for 9 minutes for a fully cooked firm yolk. Once the timer is up, place the eggs in a bowl of ice water for a couple of minutes to stop the cooking and help with peeling the shell. There you go, hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.